Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. Now in this video today, I want to ask you, if is Bitcoin making a double bottom, all right, or is it still going downwards? Now you might be thinking that bull market is over, and some guys has already started sensing that bearish sign. Sell-offs, be warned, sell off your Bitcoin. But before you sell all your Bitcoin, watch this video to the end, guys. Watch this video to the end. Now I'm going to show you what the market is doing. Okay, so we have had this massive bull run, and you can see that the trend is already broken here, guys, and you can see that very sharp pullback of that break of that trend. All right, so now we are left here outside of the trend. So what is it telling us? That the market is forming a pattern that might go up or come down. So before I continue, kindly subscribe to this channel, guys, because we're going to learn a lot of things. We're going to show you how we trade, how we ride the market, how you can position yourself and take trade confidently without giving back your gain or freaking out based what others think of the market. All right, how you can see clearly what the market is doing. All right, so what are we expecting from the market here now? So from what has happened in the past, from this sharp wave pullback, now we are seeing a correction up, a very sharp pull up. Okay, so to complete this wave, okay, we're going to see a very sharp pull up like this that will complete this B wave. All right, so we are in the B wave structure, and if there's one structure that confuses a lot of guys, is B wave. All right, because every market moves in waves, and those waves form patterns. So we are in the second wave of this corrective phase, the second wave, and the second wave is always very, very complex. And it might be what we'll be expecting is, let me start afresh so you can see it clearly. What we'll be expecting in this B wave is something 1, 2, 3. Okay, now where this 3 will end, based on what has happened in the past, I'm expecting this 3 to end above the previous pullback. So it might end above this, like 53,000 range, 52,000 to 53,000 range. Okay, then from there we will now start seeing the C wave. All right, so and that will be at the end of the day, that will be A, B and C, and that will be the end of this corrective phase before we start trending, guys. So now let me show you this in a clear structure. All right, so how you can position yourself. So look at what we're expecting, guys. Look at what we're expecting. All right, so looking at the market now, let me show you exactly if market has done this kind of stuff in the past. Okay, because that will also help you to see what we are saying, that we trade waves, guy. And if you understand wave structure, if you understand the rules that guide this stuff, you will not be freaking out, because in this thing, it nullifies support and resistance, it nullifies trend, all these indicators. Right now, look at what has happened in the market. Look at this. Let's assume this is the first pull back. You can see it here now, and the market corrects himself. You can see, look at this one, it breaks this previous low, and you see another pull up breaking this. So what is forming here? This is what? A, B, C. Exactly what we'll be expecting. Market Bitcoin chart has done it in the past. And if there's one thing that markets keep doing, is repeating patterns. You keep repeating patterns, you keep repeating patterns, you keep telling us what to expect based on what it has done in the past. And once this 3 wave is completed, guys, there is no way other than going up. Okay, no other way other than what? Going up. So that is what we were expecting from Bitcoin chart. So the only thing you might ask yourself is, looking at this down wave, that so if you are comfortable holding your Bitcoin to a level of 41,000 range, okay, if you are comfortable holding your Bitcoin for, depends on where actually you got in. All right, so but if you bought in very late, at the late hour, like 50,000 range, then you might decide to take a short profit when the market retraces back to 53,000. You might decide to take short profits, and then as it comes down to 41, you can reload your bags, guys. I'm just giving you quality setups here for free, because I want all my subscribers to win, and I want you to stay profitable, to stop losing to all this market stuff that's happening, market noise. So because of that, kindly subscribe to this channel, guys. So that's what we'll be expecting. So we're in the second wave of this corrective phase, and the second wave is always very complex, and after that second wave we come down to the third wave. That's ABC. Now it might become more complex. No, it might become more complex than this, who knows. But if it's actually going to become more complex, then it will be determined from C wave. Okay, so we begin to see the market is not going anywhere from here. They might decide to come back again and stuff like that, but now it's not visible. So what we always project in our analysis is the simplest pattern we can think of. Then from there, as market comes to C wave, then we don't buy immediately, we wait for what? A buy setup for you to ride the wave to the moon. All right, because from the whole indication, from every angle, the bull market is not over yet. And now think of it this way: when the market comes to this 41,000, if you go to the higher time frame, like daily, now you might be seeing that from this now what you might see, if actually it corresponds to this, that will be another sign of bull market in the higher time frame. Okay, that will be another sign of the market is still trending. And if this thing happens in the bigger time frame, all right, so that will be a very good indication that the market is going to what? Is going to 60, 100,000 within few weeks or months to come. All right, so in a nutshell, don't sell all your Bitcoin, guys. Don't sell all your Bitcoin, because the bull market is not over yet. The bull market is not over yet. So the only way you can understand this clearly, the way we do, is by understanding market structure, and we're using waves theory to understand market structure. So that's why you need to learn this. And if you're interested in learning, I'll be glad to help you, to teach you how these things works. All right, now, so if you look at Ethereum is still a little bit bearish than Bitcoin, so it must still break this pullback. It must still break this. All right, so I'm expecting Ethereum to still, retrace this and break this before we start seeing. Then it goes. So I'm thinking Ethereum can get to 1,100 range or 1,200 range and stuff like that before the next bull market, before the next cycle will start running up. But in a nutshell, now think about it this way: the potential gain and the potential temporal loss you might see. So it's only those strong guys that believe in what they have or where they are going that actually get there. So I just want you to have that confidence that the bull market is not over yet. All right, the bull market is not over. So let's watch this corrective phase come to an end. I believe it's gonna come to an end probably by next week or so. Then as it gets to that point, guys, but if you are the type that wants to short Bitcoin, that is, you want to trade Bitcoin with margins and using Bybit and all stuff, you can check the link below. Then I advise you to if you go to daily 1 hour chart, if you go to 1 hour chart, then you might see, let's wait for a buy setup here. If you wait for a buy setup here, then you can write this to this. That will be a very good profit for you guys, because that will be your stop, that will be your profits. Okay, that will be your stop, that will be your profits. Okay, so that is what we'll be expecting to happen in Bitcoin chart today and tomorrow, guys. So I believe you like this video. Kindly like this video, share with your friends, tell them not to panic, because this is just the correction in the bull market. Now, if there's something that I need to leave with you before we end this video, during bull markets, always look for a buy setup. During bear markets, always look for sell setup, guys. Okay, because if you're wrong in buy setup, at least you're just gonna wait for like 1 or 2 days, or highest 1 week, and you'll be right. Okay, but when you are wrong in the bear markets, you know what it means? The whole of you can wait for 1 year and stuff like that. All right, so guys, I believe you have gained something from this video. So kindly subscribe to this channel, guys. Help us grow our channel. God bless you. Have a nice day.